Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to open link in new tab in Google Chrome. So let's start. Open your first Google Chrome browser and go to the any web page that has a link. So just go to the in search bar and search here the today news. Okay. And you can see have some link in today news in different news. Okay. The Hindu, the Live Mint and India Today. Okay. So I just simply right click on this link and click on the open link in new tab. And here you can see the new tab is added with this news. Okay. And the second way you can press the shortcut key also. Just keep cursor on the link. So I just keep cursor on the second news and hold the control key and just click on the mouse and that's it. Your news is open in different tab. You can see one tab is added. Okay. Click on it and you can see the tab is open. And in Mac, you can use the command key and then click on the link. Okay. So this is the way you can open link in new tab in Google Chrome. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.